Hit that like button. It's like the part time's 20 minutes. We got this in an hour, boy.
Alright, you know what that means.
So what schools did you put on?
Yes.
Oh. Ow. Like network lag wise. Oh my god, I'm dead. Okay. Didn't even feel like I was near any of the grenades there, but.
Pressing the fucking button. I have to close this one.
Bro, I just straight stuck that elite. I memorized where he was. Okay, what's happening?
I don't know, but I'm dead.
I'm dead too. Well, okay, really? Ow. Oh my god. Oh my god. Bro, why did they throw so many grenades? Bro, did you see that on my screen? No, there's an elite hiding behind it. Look at the barrel.
Is it over?
I think so. Oh my god, there's the elite. He's so high up.
Oh shit, there's.
Oh no, I don't have any HP because I punched the thing.
I'm dead.
Are you really?
Yes.
Bro, oh my god, I can't.
Dude,
I can't. Oh, there's a grenade right next to you.
It was nice knowing you.
No, I stuck this flood. Oh my god, I lived. Oh, they have elites with swords. Okay, okay. Okay. Oh, yeah. Did you see me catch that plasma pistol in midair? No. Okay, there's a flood party up top. What? What just happened?
I turned the corner and there's a fucking flood with the rocket.
Oh shit! Whoa! Dude, they just all got on you. I don't even know if you've hit any of them. Right in my shot.
Ouchies!
Oh no, I stuck one.
Fuck! Jackson.
Zach, I had a full ammo. Nothing would catch up. That. Oh, I just fell off. Block the RAM. Like to the XMP profile.
What the fuck?
Actually fit. Oh my god. What? Them all. Whoa. Oh, I forgot they blow up. Are you alive?
No. I just want you to know I got.
What the fuck? Okay, what was happening right there? Whoa! How did you die?
I don't.
Went across this.
Jackson, he just knocked me off.
Right, really?
Yeah.
What? What? Okay, alright, I'm flying. I'm dead. I'm so scared because I. Okay. Oh, there it is. I'm dead. I think I might die. I'm dead. God dang it. I just lost so many grenades. That was too much, guys. Too much. Oh, we're gonna hop off.